What's up, YouTube, man? We're back with another one today in this thing, and today, man, I got a little mechanic job to do, so I'm about to knock that out. Ain't nothing crazy, just basically a brake job, side little thing I'm doing today at the crib. Just came from fishing, caught a few fish, so about to go ahead and get this brake job knocked out real quick. And that old BMW here I gotta work on. So let me show y'all what's going on. What kind of car I got right here. Alright, so we got a BMW X4 M40i. And this thing has a sport package. It took me a while to find the brakes for it, but I did find them. One of my good customers. I already got the front tire pulled out, just a 17 millimeter socket. So I'm about to get all this caliper and all that took apart. So just give me a second. Alright, so basically got right here is where the caliper pin is at. Another caliper pin is right here, and on here is Allen. So I'm about to get me an Allen key, find out which one it is, and we're gonna take it out. We'll start with a 6. I think it's gonna be an 8. Got a 6 right here. Too small. So it looked like it's gonna be like a 7 or 8. So computer right there. So this is the one that's gonna be right here, 7 millimeter. So about to pop it in there, and it's in there. I'm gonna got my ratchet right here. And you got 2 of these, one at the top, one at the bottom. Let me pop them off, get this caliper off right quick. Alright, got the pins out right here, guide pin. So, and caliper basically comes off. Got to take this tension clip off of here, and it just holds it tight. Right here, fits in here, and right up against here. So. Pop it off, and as you can see, they were shot. And this thing here, I bought a pair of brake pads prior, but they were just regular brake pads. But turns out that this is this car has a sports package, so they're not the original brake pads for it. So the old brake pads right there, and I gotta take this off so I can put the sensor on too. It takes a sensor, so let me get that loose right quick. It's a 10 millimeter. All right, guys, so the sensor isn't actually on this side, the sensor's on the other side. So basically I got a C-clamp. I got the correct tools to compress the piston in on the caliper, but I got it at the shop in my box. But this is what I have here. I got another one, but I don't really feel like looking for it. So basically all I got to do is clamp the C-clamp on there and turn it like that, and it's gonna push the caliper in. It's easy peasy, nothing to it. But like I said, I do have the correct tool, but who says this one is incorrect? I mean, it works, but hey, I got the one you're supposed to use, a piston compress tool. So I got one, but since I'm here and I don't have that one with me, this is what we're gonna use, man. So shit, don't take my throat off. Don't holler, hey man, I'm using it for and all that stuff. I'm using it because this is what I got at the crib. I didn't bring what I needed to do the job. So, but it's still gonna get done. Alright, so it's all the way in. So we pop this thing off of here. Whoa. Get that off. Pick that back up. Pop the brake pad out. And it's just holding with that clip right there. Hold it in there. So go over here and get the new pads and the sensor. And like I said, I had to buy brand new pads from BMW. Probably could have ordered them offline somewhere, but I really didn't know what I was gonna need, so I didn't bother with trying to order them offline because I didn't want to get them here and then they were the wrong ones also. So new pads, BMW, right here, man. New pads right here, man. And these are the right ones. These are right, boy. Them other ones they sold me at first from AutoZone, they was wrong. So what I do is with my brake pads, see if I can set this up here. Hold on. Always rub them together to get all the residue and stuff off of them. So I usually just put my two pads together like this and rub them together like this. That way they kind of get smoothed out. You ain't gotta do it, just something I do. It does, and that's it. Now we about to install these things, baby. Just like that. That's just something I do. Like I said, it ain't, you don't have to do it, but it's something I do. I'm gonna put that there. It's the one with the clip on the back. Put it there. And all you should have to do is pop it in there like that. Snap in there. This one right here, you can actually set it right here. That way you ain't gotta hold it with your hand when you put the caliper back on there. Just like that. That's it. It's on there. So we gotta put the bolts in there, tighten them up, and put this tension clip on the front. And then we off to the other side, man. So let me knock that out right quick, man. I'll turn y'all back on in a second. Got the pins on in the back. I gotta put these on there, these caps. They just go over the rubber grommet, inside the grommet, to protect the whatchamacallit, and it look like that sensor on this side to protect the bolts, the guide pin. So okay, sorry about that, man. So this goes right here like this. So let me show y'all how this goes right quick. Alright, so like I said, I'm about to try to clip this on here right quick. Alright, so basically this just goes like that. But you gotta put these pins like that and then just push it so it snaps in. Do it like this. One side. You would not want to cooperate with me right now. I keep trying to film it, but there we go. Done deal. And that's what holds it tight, man. Easy peasy. Alright, so I'm gonna double check this sensor because I think it might go over here. I'm gonna take this apart and get back up in here where these boxes at, so y'all bear with me right quick. Alright, so the sensor does go on this side. That's the plug for it right there, and it goes inside that box right there, and it runs out, clips in right here, and plugs into the back of the brake pad right here. I know you can't see it, but it's tight, so let's see. see, right there where it goes on the brake pad. So let me hook that up and I'll cut y'all back on in a second. This is a new sensor right here. So what happened is the last time I tried to do these brakes, I took it off and didn't put it back because it broke and the pads were wrong, so I just left the sensor off. If you don't put that sensor, then your monitoring side is gonna always say you need brake. So give me a second. All right, so we got the sensor in there, plugged up, and it's in the casing housing that it goes in. Oh, so we'll just close that back, and then we routed it, clips in there, clips in here, you see the new line, and then it goes in brake pad there. So 10mm is what was holding this on there. Get to it. So 10mm there and 10mm right there. I'll tighten that up, put the wheel on. It's a dunner, just like that. Done on this side, wheels on, brakes on. So, just gotta pop the wheel on. We're gonna go to the other side right quick, all right? All right. All right, man, tires on, tightened up. Let this thing down. Go to the other side. Knock this other side out right quick. And that's gonna be dead on that, man. Listen, when y'all get these BMWs and stuff, BMWs, Mercedes and stuff like that, I know y'all be feeling like, oh man, the only person I could take my car to is the dealership. They the only ones can do it. Why? Because it's a Mercedes on a BMW? Mercedes, BMW, it's a car. And you can, the brakes are just as simple as if you had a Toyota Camry or a Ford Fusion or some stuff, man. So don't get caught up in the hype on I need to make sure I take my car here and all that, you know, because I mean, average person can do it. As long as you got the right stuff, you can get it done. You don't need nothing crazy, nothing stupid special. You will need like a on these you need a computer. We don't need a computer. It's easier with a computer, and I'll show you guys that when I get done, when I get ready to reset everything, that you don't have to have a computer. Let me get this thing jacked up and get this wheel off real quick. Pop this tire real quick. Just like that. Tires off. So basically do the same thing on this side. I'll take that off, pull these lip covers off. Got them off right there. Loosen up the caliper with the old handy dandy screwdriver. It's gonna come forward a little bit. The old handy dandy. That's that on there. So let me take this off and take the pins out in the back. And I'll cut y'all back on. This side, old brake pads off. Them things are so bad, man. She was almost there to where they were gonna start grinding. You can see, like, she really ain't had no more pad left, just a tad. Got the new ones installed. You can see them right here. New pads installed. So no sensor on this side. All I gotta do on this side is tighten it up, and then we're done. And then as far as rotors go, turning rotors and all that, if they bad, I suggest getting new ones. All that turning on, I ain't with all that. Just get some new rotors. Easier and it's better anyway. Got a little lip on here, but should be fine till the next time. All right, so let me get this tightened up, and I'll get back with you guys in a sec. All right, so see the brake light on. Brake system right there. I'm gonna go back. Alright, we're gonna go to vehicle info right here. Then we're gonna go to vehicle status. And then shows low tire. I did put some air in it, so we'll see if that goes away. I'm gonna go to the little car where it says service required. Right there. Then it says front brakes. Alright, so I got my computer plugged up, which I can reset it with my computer. But I'm gonna show y'all on this BMW, you can do it without the computer. So there's a little button right here. So that's all you're gonna need to push. So we're gonna turn the car off, and then we're gonna press the button like 3 times real quick to put it in diagnostics mode, and that's the start button. Alright, now everything's on. Alright, there we go, 2 times. So we're gonna press and hold this. Press and hold it. I think I've done it before. It should come up in a second. Let's see. Nah, this one not doing it. Hold on. Let's try it again. If it don't get it like that this time, I'm just gonna do it with my computer. Hold on. Turn it all the way off. Open, close the door. Turn it on. Alright, press and hold the button. Press and hold it. Let's see here. Should come up. If it don't, we're just doing this thing with the computer, bro. The easy way. Nah, it ain't working like that. So basically we're gonna do this computer then. Got my computer plugged up. So we're gonna go to what we got. Let me snap it so I can hang it. Alright. So we got BMW, so we're going to that. Damn, that light on there. And this says US vehicles, so we're gonna pick US vehicles, and then we're gonna go to the years of 16, so we're gonna go to G, so I can see 16, 17, 18. Gonna go there. Let me see if I can get it better. So it's manual, automatic, so we're gonna click on automatic, and then it tells you what you got. Press OK. So we're gonna go to service interval resets, which is right here. Service interval resets. Click on that, and it says front pads 0%. Click on that. We're gonna continue because we're gonna reset it. Continue. Reset complete. See over here on that screen. Okay, front brakes. No more red light for the front brakes. Start it up. There we go. The only thing on is that tire light right there. But like I said, I did put air in the tire, so it should go off in a minute. So that's that on that. Alright, y'all. So we got that BMW knocked out. It's done. So about to go to the parts store right quick. I gotta get something for my bike. So we're gonna see that. So y'all like, share, subscribe, hit that comment button, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.